conceptually it was an MMS being made, and the whole idea of the film is of grab footage. If you see the film, it's shot from about 24 cameras exactly, but you get the feel that it's a 6-camera grab footage feel, because we want to relive the experience of a haunted house and see it in a totally different way than what normally horror movies show you. As an experience, it should be a new experience. You know, you have to live the life of the person who's had that experience. So I said, you know, if you're giving a grab footage feel, and the feel of the film is going to be that you're going to be peeping into either an MMS or some, like a house which is wired up, then definitely the film should be called Ragini MMS.
Playing the victim wasn't really fun. To be very honest, it was quite a lot of mental torture that I had to put myself through to do this role. In the sense that we had to really feel the fear and do all of that. So we had extensive workshops before we started shooting the film. And yeah, it was great.
हमारी हिंदी फिल्म में जो आज तक दिखाया गया है उससे ये बहुत अलग तरीके का फियर हमने दिखाया है। ये बहुत रियल है, बहुत ज़्यादा रियल है। आप देखेंगे तो आपको लगेगा कि शायद आप भी जब डरते हैं अकेले में तो शायद ऐसे ही डरते हैं। इसमें सो कॉल्ड जो फिल्मी पना है वो नहीं है, बहुत रियल है ये।
They were inspired by the medium, the taking, you know, the way the film was done. That was a grab footage, real grab footage. This is grab footage feel. You know, abroad, Paranormal 1 was apparently proclaimed to be real footage. Paranormal 2 was not proclaimed to be real footage. We have never proclaimed this is real footage. We've said that based on a true story. And we're giving you the grab footage feel, but it's definitely shot like, in a way which is a little more, what should I say, exactly like how Paranormal is done, but Paranormal 2 to be precise, because that's more cinematically and easy for the eye, and definitely like the part 2. I think now Paranormal 3 is also coming. इनकी केमिस्ट्री पहली बार आई थिंक इन्होंने जब सीन शूट किए थे, पहले 2-3 दिन की शूटिंग में किए थे। हमें ऐसा लगा कि पिक्चर की ख़त्म होने तक इनकी केमिस्ट्री और अच्छी हो गई है, इसलिए फिर से करवाया, बिकॉज डेफिनेटली स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द फिल्म में जो केमिस्ट्री थी और एंडिंग ऑफ द फिल्म में जो केमिस्ट्री थी उसमें बहुत फ़र्क था।
See, I don't think that'll happen because पहली बात तो इस फिल्म में ये जो sensual part है is very required. It's not like any other film where it's just there because it's there. It's there because it's required. It's about a guy who's making an MMS about the girls. If you don't have sensual scenes, it's stupid. It doesn't make sense. So you have to have these scenes. So I don't think... Exactly. It's also very real. It's a couple in our age which has this kind of relationship. It's very normal. It's something that is not very contrived or fake or anything. It's very real. And I don't think I will get branded. I don't think so.
इसके अलावा मैंने और काफ़ी फिल्म्स अभी कंप्लीट की हैं जिनमें ऐसा कुछ एमएमएस नहीं है, तो वो आप देखेंगे इसी साल में और आने वाले साल में। तो ऐसा नहीं है कि अब मैं एमएमएस सीरियल एमएमएसर बन जाऊंगा।